Unraveling Financial Wrongdoing, a Beginner's Guide. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into an important and often complex topic that affects many aspects of society and business: financial wrongdoing. If you're new to learning English, especially the language of finance and law, you might find this subject a bit daunting. But don't worry, we're here to break it down into simple terms, making it easy for you to understand. By the end of this video, you'll not only grasp what financial wrongdoing entails but also be able to discuss it confidently. So, let's get started. Financial wrongdoing refers to illegal or unethical activities that relate to the handling of money or financial transactions. This can range from individual acts like theft or fraud, to large-scale corporate scandals involving billions of dollars. The key components of financial wrongdoing are illegality and unethical behavior. These activities harm individuals, companies, and often the economy at large. Understanding the scope and impact of financial wrongdoing is crucial for anyone navigating the financial world. There are several common forms of financial wrongdoing that you should be aware of. 1. Fraud. This involves deceiving someone to gain money or financial advantage. Examples include credit card fraud, insurance fraud, and securities fraud. 2. Embezzlement. This is when someone in a position of trust misappropriates funds that have been entrusted to them. 3. Money laundering. This is the process of making large amounts of money generated by a criminal activity, such as drug trafficking or terrorism, appear to be earned legally. 4. Tax evasion. This involves illegally avoiding paying taxes owed by hiding income or information from the tax authorities. Each of these types not only constitutes a crime but also damages the trust and integrity of financial systems. Detecting and preventing financial wrongdoing is a complex but essential task. It involves regulatory oversight. Government agencies and financial institutions have systems and regulations in place to monitor transactions and prevent illegal activities. Audits and investigations. Regular audits by independent parties can help detect inconsistencies or suspicious activities. Whistleblower policies. Encouraging employees to report unethical practices without fear of retaliation is crucial in uncovering wrongdoing. Being informed about these mechanisms helps in understanding how societies strive to maintain financial integrity. Understanding financial wrongdoing and its implications is essential for navigating today's complex financial landscape. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone interested in how the financial world operates, we hope this video has shed light on this significant topic and made it more accessible to you. Remember, a well-informed individual plays a key role in preventing financial wrongdoing and fostering a transparent, ethical financial environment. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you learn more in our next video.